Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video about Google Gemini Pro. So now it's available for the public to build or test. So basically go to ai.google.dev. So I already did that, and then you can look up the documentation here um, about how to get started with Python, Node.js, or even on the web here. So here is the playground. Basically, this is the prompt. So for basically, I told Gemini Pro model to they have actually Pro and Vision, and here you can adjust all the different safety settings and output lang. And so basically, this is the test prompt. I basically asked the Gemini Pro to give me a tutorial example using Google's Gemini Pro AI. If I didn't mention Google's Gemini Pro AI first version, it gave me the code to access the crypto broker Gemini API. So I had to mention Google Gemini Pro AI by creating a simple app using Python with Google Colab. So basically, this is the code that they give me, and the good thing about is you can click on get code, and then you can get your own API key. And then if you have Python, you can open in Colab, so it will open the this. So you don't have to do all that. All you have to do is get the API key and replace with your API key, and you can just start it testing. So from the code generation to testing, everything is integrated with the Google Colab. And here is an example on how to get started using Python. And so you can even use the bash scripting for call command, and you can get the API key from here, and then you can create in your new project or in an existing project. So alright, I guess that's it for this video. Thanks.